y'all, and welcome back to the Pink Bubble. As you can see, my scenery has been updated and upgraded, and I'm so excited. So now I can really make videos and be comfortable, okay? These lashes are by my girl Outlash by Bree. She has provided me with a couple of her best lashes, and I have done 2 reviews so far, so this is my 3rd one for these lashes, and these are the Spoiled Brat lashes. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.
I am using the Morphe brow pencil in the color, I believe it's dark brown. I do all my eyebrows with dark brown. So I'm just going to fill them in and just do my regular routine of starting from the bottom, then going to the top. So to conceal my eyebrows, I actually use the P. Louise eyeshadow bases to conceal my eyebrows because they really give a great coverage to me. So the numbers that I use is the number 4, and I mix it with the number 6 just so I can match it toward closest to my skin tone color. So I'm just going to blend it out and we're going to move on. So for today, I am going to actually be trying a new method. So I'm going to start off doing my foundation first, and this video is going to be a run through. I'm not going to keep it long when it comes to the foundation because this video is more focused on the eyeshadow, what eyeshadow look I'm going to do. So the whole makeup routine is just going to be fast forward through. But I never did my foundation before doing my eyeshadow, but I have been seeing a lot of people do it, and I wanted to try it, as well as I did want to see if putting the powder under your eyes before doing your eyeshadow, I wanted to see if it really worked, like if it actually catch the stuff. So I'm trying something new today, so you can just enjoy the little makeup routine. The foundation routine. Okay, so I'm starting off with the Juvia's Place, the chocolate eye eyeshadow palette. I think that's the name of it. I'm not sure. But I'm starting off with this, and I'm taking that light brown, and I'm going to use that just as a transition color. Then I'm using my 24A Artiste palette by Morphe. I really do love this palette, even though I really only use that orange that I'm about to use in that palette. And then I'm going back into the Juvia's Place chocolate palette, so I'm gonna just call it, to grab that dark brown, and that's gonna be my smoky eye color because I love me a good smoky eye. So I'm just going to blend those 2 colors together, make sure the orange is popping into the brown, and we got a nice cute blend. Then I'm going to go and grab my P. Louise eyeshadow base in the number 4 or 3, in the number 3 or 4, I believe it's 4. And I am going to cut my crease the same way I typically do it. And I'm going to just speed it up because I do have a video already on how I cut my crease, and you can find that right at the top, so you can go watch that and see the full steps on how your girl get this cut crease together. Alright, so after the cut crease has been cut and looking real nice and sharp, I'm going to go ahead and fill it in, and then I blend it out with just a eyeshadow brush that I pretty much don't use. I just blend blend the cut crease out, I'm sorry, so that everything is even. And your girl was happy. I was listening to music. That's why I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a voiceover, because I have to listen to music while I'm doing my makeup, because other than that, I'm gonna get distracted and I'm gonna be sitting there looking dumb, and my mind gonna get to wandering, and I'm gonna just go slower. So I'm just gonna use that dark brown to blend the cut crease into the eyeshadow, into some eyeshadow. And then I'm going to grab that light brown again and put that on top of the cut crease. Then I'm going to go in with the JLarue's pigment. This is the white diamond pigment, and I'm going to put that on my lid. And then I'm just going to blend that brown in with the pigment to give me a nice ombre look. And now I'm just going to do my wing line with the NYX matte liquid liner. Of course, this is a go-to. I'm sure everybody has this in their makeup box, and if you don't have it in your makeup box, definitely grab one, sis, because I love it.
And these lashes are by my girl, Outlash by Bree. So make sure y'all check her out. I will definitely tag her below and also on my social media page so that y'all can go and cash my girl out. Okay?
Alright, I'm just going to go back in and grab that darker brown. It's not even black. It's like a darker brown to put in my waterline. So I'm going to go back into that Morphe artist palette and just throw some little shimmer colors that they have in the palette in my tear duct to make it a little pop and blingy. So now I'm just going to finish up my face, wiping off that excess powder underneath my eyes, bronzing up my contour areas, and throwing on some blush and setting my face, because sis is done. Your girl is done.
Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. I'm trying to get back with it again. Get back in my little flow. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll check you all out in my next video. Bye.